This could be the car for you. The 2018 INFINITI QX60. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy every adventure to the fullest in this safe and luxurious QX60. From its driver assist tech, to its soothingly peaceful cabin, to its flexible cargo space and powerful performance, this premium SUV makes travel a delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, keyless start, satellite radio, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, backup camera. Tastefully luxurious, yet boldly versatile. That's the QX60. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.